In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert text boxes in Google Docs. Let's launch the Google Chrome web browser. In the top right corner, click on the grid icon. In the drop-down menu, click on Docs. Let's open a document from here. Suppose you need to add a text box in this document. In the title bar, click on Insert. In the drop-down menu, click on Drawing. In the pop-up menu, click on New. In the Drawing menu, click on the text box option. Now place the text box on the canvas. Write your text in the text box. If you want to add borders to your text box, click on the pen icon. From here, select a color for your border. In my case, I will select black. After you are done with your text, click on Save and Close. Here, our text is added, but we can't move it on our page. To resolve this, click on the three-dot icon below the text box. In the drop-down menu, click on All Image Options. In the Image Options menu, expand the Text Wrapping tab. In the drop-down, select Wrap Text. Now you can move your text box wherever you want. Following these steps, you can insert text boxes easily in Google Docs.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.